Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. When you're successful versus when you need help. Have you ever noticed when things are going awesome, lots of people seem to appear, but hard times often reveal who truly cares. One, success be like, congratulations, we're your biggest fans. Hard times be like, just checking in, how are you doing? Reason why genuine care shows up in both situations. Two, success be like your inbox is full. Hard times be like a few meaningful messages arrive. Reason why quality often matters more than quantity. Three, success be like people celebrate your victories. Hard times be like people encourage your comeback. Reason why encouragement to matters during the challenges. For success be like, everyone wants a photo. Hard times be like, someone offers a helping hand. Reason why support is more valuable than attention. Five, success be like, everyone notices the trophy. Hard times be like, someone notices your effort. Reason why character shines during a difficult moment. Six, success be like lots of applause. Hard times be like a quiet conversation. Reason why listening can be powerful. Seven, success be like people ask, what is your secret? Hard times be like people ask, how can I help? Reason why helpful questions build stranger connections. Eight, success be like everyone arrives for the celebration. Hard times be like a few stay for the cleanup. Reason why loyalty is shown through actions. Seven, success be like you receive compliments. Hard times be like you receive encouragement, helps people move forward. 10, success be like everyone wants updates. Hard times be like someone remembers to check on you. Reason why thoughtfulness is meaningful. 11, success be like people celebrate results. Hard times be like people appreciate the effort. Reason why growth matters too. 12, success be like many cheer for the winner. Hard times be like if you cheer for the person. Reason why caring about people matter most. 13, success be like everyone loves the sunshine. Hard times be like someone brings an umbrella. Reason why practical support can mean a lot. 14, success be like you learn who celebrates with you. Hard times be like you learn who stand by with you. Reason why both moments teach on valuable lessons about relationships. Success can attract attention, but difficult times often reveals genuine kindness, loyalty, and support. Appreciate those who celebrate your wins and those who stand beside you during challenges.